Today we are reviewing the cookware set from the brand Terra Incognita Quatro. The set includes 2 pots with lids, a frying pan, 4 cups, 4 bowls, and a ladle. It also comes with a protective cover and a microfiber cloth. The larger pot has a volume of 2100 ml, while the smaller one has a volume of 1350 ml. The set is designed for 3 to 4 people. The cookware is made from anodized aluminum. This material heats up well and conducts heat evenly. Food in such cookware is almost non-stick. Notable features have collapsible handles with a protective coating and a silicone insert on the lid for burn protection. It is advisable to use the cookware on a burner rather than an open flame. For cooking in such cookware, it is not recommended to use metal utensils, such as forks and spoons. You can find more care recommendations for the cookware by following the link below the video. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Goodbye.